Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So, shall we go on to the next problem? Well, seems like it's a easy problem. Lead code 872. And what is the series? Comparison of two trees, huh? Okay. Consider all the leaves of a binary tree. Leaves of a binary from to right, left to right. The values of those leaves, the values of those leaves form a leaf value sequence. Okay. For example, in the given tree above, the leaf value sequence is 6, 7, 4, 9, and 8. Two binary trees are considered leaf similar if their leaf value sequence is the same. Written true if and only if the two given trees which had no true for leaf similar 6 and 498, 6 and 498. Okay, okay. And the number of nodes in each tree will be in the range 1 and 200. Both of the trees will have values in the range 0 and 200. Okay. I guess we have to traverse. Wait a minute. Let's do traversal. And since we are doing taking the leaf nodes, it's better if we take the DFS. If not, no, return on traverse dot left. Let's pass boolean values instead. If L and R. C C is 1 and C is 2. So let's keep sequence number sequence of sequence number not again node value. With small c. Let's grab group 1 comma 0 group 2 comma 1 61498 118 2 and we have to compare return sequence of the well, seems like it is working fine. The total time it will take will be order of m, I guess. So where n is the maximum depth of the two trees. Now let's submit it and see if it is working fine. And let's evaluate ourselves whether or not it's a optimal solution or not. Well, seems like it's an optimal solution. And to explain the intuition, what we're doing here is we have a sequence here which is holding the sequences for both the root and both the trees. And here is a traversal where if both the nodes are empty, we are returning true. If one of them is if any one of them is not empty, then we are returning false here. And we are appending the value to the sequence number which is passed here 0 or 1 based on the we are passing. We are filling the sequence of root 1 and root 2 in the two arrays and we are comparing it here. And finally it will return the answer. If both are equal, then it's fine. If it is not, then it will return false. It's a simple traversal technique. The first technique. I believe it's not something new to see, so I hope you guys understood the intuition. If you like the video, upload it and share it with your friends. Leave a comment so that I know how I did explain. It will help me as the feedback and it helps the channel to increase its reach. And well, that's it. Thank you for choosing the channel. We'll meet you again with another video. Until then, keep learning and don't slack off well. Thank you.